Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Suratul Ikhlas. Al-Ikhlas. The unity. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, say He, Allah is one. Allah is He on whom all depend. He begets not, nor is He begotten, and none is like Him. And, remember the gender neutral pronoun being here. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, say He, Allah, is one. Monotheism. Allah is He on whom all depend. The self-sufficient, the pantheism, in a way of saying. He begets not, nor is He begotten. The positive atheism, the negative atheism, and none is like Him in anything. The absolute atheism, and of course no contradiction. So, very powerful formula. The last 3 chapters of Al-Qur'an represent the Qur'an in whole, so each is seen as a third. And some people, by learning these last 3 chapters, Aleister Crowley had it on conks and pucks. I think he put alat instead of Allah. Or maybe the printer got it wrong, but he actually apparently knew it. So, and my brother, not the one who appeared on this channel, another brother memorized this chapter and wanted to know, what is it? What does it mean? What is Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. What does that mean? And what is Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Maliki yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, ihdina as-siratal mustaqim, siratal ladzina an'amta alayhim, ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin, Ameen. He learned that as a teenager, just witnessing me and my father praying. So, his father too.